Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby. I have shared with you how to make more plants from one plant. Now let me show you in this video how to turn two or more smaller plants into one large, full, bushy plant. Before I show you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. I had these two small red Maranta prayer plants, and they were growing and trailing only on one side. I love it when the prayer plants are full and bushy. So I asked my husband to make me one large plant from the two. Enjoy watching, and I will come back from time to time to tell you what he is doing. So here's my hubby taking the two and transplanting them into one pot. Right here, he is measuring both red Marantas to ensure they are not too deep in the pot. With the red Maranta prayer plant, the top and the lower leaves needs to be exposed to light in order for all the leaves to be healthy. You might have to adjust the amount of soil in the pot to make sure that the prayer plants are sitting at the right height. Okay guys, let me come back on here and explain what he is doing right now. You see in front of the red Maranta where it is a little bare? Well, on the other side of the plant, it is very full and bushy. He will be taking part of the plant from the other side and planting it on this side. There it is. See the root of the small part he took from the other side? Now since he planted part of the plant from the other side, the plant looks a lot fuller and a lot more bushier. The plant looks fuller now. It looks amazing. Now let's take a look at the plant now. It is so beautiful and it's bushy and full just the way I like it. So if you want to make a large bushy plant, this is how to do it. You take 2 or more plants and you make one larger, bushy and fuller plant. Now it's time for him to water the red Maranta. He will thoroughly water the entire plant since he didn't manipulate the roots a lot. Then he will let the water completely drain. Guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.